In this video, I'm going to represent you 9 such perfumes that are really lovely and you are going to get compliments. And third is you can almost apply all of them in all seasons except one of them. So I'm going to share with you 9 of my perfumes that I reach most often to reuse them or spray them the most. Others are sitting in my cabinet. So these are the 9s I have repurchased some of the new bottles. So these are a full bottle worthy perfumes. So let's start with some of the freshies from one is this Roa Alisium. You might have known it, Roa Alisium. The only problem with it is its performance. So it is going to stay like 2 or 3 hours max on your skin or on your clothes. So this is the only downside. Otherwise, this is a very lovely fruity, fresh, citrusy, sweet kind of summer scent. This is one of the best. So Alisium Roa from Roa Dove Perfumes. Second, I'm going to show you Blue the Chanel EDP. So I'm not talking about perfume version, I'm talking about EDP because I have got a lot of compliments from women in my family. Whenever I wear this, they are going to say, what are you wearing? This is really lovely. So this is Blue the Chanel. You can wear it in summers, you can wear it in winters. This is all around best office scent or best overall summer scent for me. Third, I'm going to share with you Nishan Hakat or Nishan Hakat. I'm not sure, Hasivat or Hakivat. Anyhow, I think it is Hakivat. So this is, in the start, I really didn't like it or enjoy it much. My wife still don't like it at all. So I'm not going to say that this is going to get you a lot of compliments from women, but for me, I reach more often to this one in summers. So this is Nishan Hakat from Istanbul, okay, EDP. So this is an EDP version. Okay, so next I'm going to share with you a very safe perfume, Super Messy in Oud by Afnan. So a lot of people don't talk about this, but for me, this is one of the best. My wife wears it, I wear it, we put it on our clothes, on our skin. This is the bottle. I have actually already purchased another one. So you can see now, this is the box. Already purchased a new one. So this is almost finished and we use it all in the summers, in the winters, it's all around. So you can use it in everywhere. Okay, next is Oud Assar Indonesia. So this is from Rasasi and I have got a lot of compliments from men wearing this. So it is not going to be very strong or it is not going to stay like 6 hours on your skin, but this is one of the best dry downs I have sniffed in my life. This perfume, whatever it is going to lingering on your skin after 3 or 4 hours, it is heavenly. It is one of the best. Assar Indonesia Al Buruz series from Rasasi. So this is one of my favorite. Another one, Baccarat Rouge kind of perfume, Busma from Arabian Oud. This is my second bottle, you can see. And this is already at the half, you can see now. So this is one perfume that you can use all year around, aromatic, very fresh, very light. It has a trail behind you, it leaves a trail behind you. So this is Busma from Arabian Oud. Next is from Ajmal Amber. So this one is a bit different. I think in too much heat, it might not be easy to wear, but you can use it all year around. Amber Santal is a very unique, very lovely amber scent. So if you love amber perfume, you have to buy this. This one is really good. When I bought this, my kid's aunt says, after viewing this bottle, this golden bottle, she says, can you give it to me? So this is another one. Okay, next is Ganymede or I'm not sure what is this from Marc Antonio Barrios Paris. Okay, so this one is enough. I really love it on my wife's skin. This is so good, so sensual, so attractive, and it is a safe scent all year around. I rarely wear it because it is kind of metallic, sweet, very sensual kind of perfume. And the last is Amouage Jubilation XXV, my favorite, but it is for winters only. Don't try to use it in summers. So this is my bottle. I had a backup bottle. I sold it to my friend, and now I'm using it with a bit of caution because it is expensive. So this is my 9 perfumes that I recommend that are going to last almost all year, and they are going to get you compliments. They are the ones I reach most often in my cabinet, and this is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.